वेलकम बैक। आज हम टॉपिक शुरू करने जा रहे हैं डेरिवेटिव। ये ऐसा टॉपिक है जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। बेसिक कंसेप्ट है, फिजिक्स में भी आपके काम आएगा। मैथ्स में तो ये आप ये कह सकते हो कि हायर मैथमेटिक्स की ये बैकबोन है, जिसका नाम कैलकुलस है, डेरिवेटिव है ये आपका। मैं कोशिश करूंगा आई विल कवर ऑल द टॉपिक रिलेटेड टू द डेरिवेटिव। आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बेसिक कंसेप्ट से स्टार्ट करूंगा मैं आपको, और जो भी आपका बेसिक कंसेप्ट से लेके हायर लेवल तक जाता है वहां तक हम कोशिश करेंगे कि आपको जिसको डेरिवेटिव बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता, जो बिल्कुल जीरो है डेरिवेटिव में, मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि वहां से मैं स्टार्ट करके आपको वहां तक लेके जाऊं जहां तक आपको डेरिवेटिव कंप्लीट आ जाए। तो जितने भी वीडियो हम मैं बनाऊंगा यहाँ पे डेरिवेटिव के, आप बने रहिए उनमें, और बेसिक कंसेप्ट से लेके सारे वीडियो तक मैं कोशिश करूंगा। चाहे बच्चा आप पीसीबी वाले स्टूडेंट ही क्यों ना हो, पीसीबी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी फिजिक्स में आपके ये काम आएगा डेरिवेटिव। तो आज के वीडियो में जो हम डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ वो सबसे पहला बेसिक कंसेप्ट है डेरिवेटिव का, दैट हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द डेरिवेटिव, चेंजेस ऑफ द डेरिवेटिव या रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ द जो आपका पॉइंट होता है आपका, किस तरह से उसको डिस्कस किया जाता है। हम वन बाय वन हर वीडियो में कोशिश करेंगे कि आपको उसकी क्लैरिटी हो कि डेरिवेटिव बेसिकली व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव है, क्या डेरिवेटिव, उसको किस किस तरह से फाइंड आउट करना है। आज के वीडियो में सिर्फ मैं आपको बेसिक कंसेप्ट जो डेरिवेटिव के हैं, हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल टर्म्स when they are in the single form, and also the formula of the trigonometric terms and other some important formula of the derivative.
Well, students, today we will talk about the derivative, that is also called the calculus. Suppose you have the function here fx, the value is x square. You put the value 1, then you will get 1. You put the value 2 in the function, then you will get the output is what? Output is 4. It is also represented by y, and it is also represented by fx. So how to find out the derivative? We will do the from the basic concept से start करेंगे हम इसको, that derivative mean rate of change of one variable with respect to the another variable. You want to find out the changes. What are the changes of one variable with respect to the another variable? इसका बेसिक कंसेप्ट जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे किसी और लेक्चर में, आज मैं आपको बताता हूँ व्हाट आर इट्स सिंबल, हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट द डेरिवेटिव, एंड व्हाट आर इट्स बेसिक कंसेप्ट. We represent it by dy by dx, and it is also represented as f dash x. In some books it is also represented as y1, y dash भी पढ़ते हैं इसको, and also here y1. So the meaning of all these symbols is what? Same, that you are want to find out the derivative of y with respect to what? X. X is the variable here which is changing with respect to x, y with respect to x. Now come to the basic concept. Basic concept in the formula, that first formula is what? X. You want to find out, suppose I have the function y and x power n, where what is x? That is the term variable here. Now whenever you want to find out its derivative dy by dx, then what will happen? This n become here n x, and power of that one is reduces to 1, n minus 1. So this is the first formula to find out the derivative of the polynomial terms. Derivative of the polynomial terms. Suppose I take y is equal to x power 4. Then what is its derivative? Its derivative is dy by dx, that is 4 come to that side, 4x cube. 4x cube. Same way, suppose I want to find out the derivative of y is equal to 3x square. Then 3 is the constant term here. What will you write? You will write dy by dx. We want to find out the derivative of what? 3x square. That means 3 is the constant term here. Then you will write in this way dy by dx x square. And then dy by dx here. Then what is the derivative of 3x square? 3 is a constant term. The derivative of x square means 2x, its power become 1 less. So your answer is what? Your answer is 6x. So the dy by dx of this term is y, that 3x square is 6x. Let us discuss about the constant term. Suppose you want to find out the derivative of the constant term, only the constant term. When the constant term is single, you want to find out its derivative. You know that its derivative, the x, you can also put x power 0 here. It is the power 0. that is the power 0. So when you want to find out the derivative of the constant term dy by dx, then 4 0x 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. So overall when you multiply it, then the derivative of this term become what? 0. But always remember the derivative of the constant term is 0 when they are only single terms. Suppose now you want to find out the derivative of x square plus 3. You want to find out the derivative of this term. Then the derivative of this one is what? That is dy by dx. And how will you write? d by dx x square and then derivative of 3. So the derivative of x square is what? That formula, x power n. Then 2x and the derivative of 3 is what? 0. So the derivative of this is the constant term and the derivative of the constant term is what? 0. So in this way you can find out the derivative of the polynomial term. Suppose I take another example. I take another example as let us see here that y, I see y that is equal to, this is y is equal to 3x power 9 plus x power 4 plus 2x plus 1. I want to find out the derivative of this term. And what do you observe here? See, here all the polynomial terms, these are the terms which are single terms. So that formula, this formula is only applicable when the terms are what? Single, or you can say what? They are in the plus sign with minus sign. So I want to find out the derivative of this term. Let us find out that dy by dx, then what do you believe, right? 3 derivative of x power 9 plus derivative of x power 4 plus derivative of I can also write it as a 2x plus derivative of n 1. So now how will you find out the derivative of this one? That 3 and the derivative of x power 9 is what? 9x 1 power less, it become what? 8. Again that become what? 4 and x power what? 3. Again the derivative of 2x is what? 2, because the power of x is 1 here. So the derivative of 2x is what? The derivative of 2x is 2 and the derivative of this 1 is what? 0. So this is your what? Answer, that dy by dx is of this term is this one. Now I want to discuss one thing more. Let us find out the derivative of, now let us find out, I want to find out another example that you want to find out the derivative of only x. Now what is the derivative of x? The derivative of x means that the power of x is what? 1 here. So the derivative dy by dx is 1x 1 minus 1. So 1x power 0. So the derivative of this term is what? X power 0, you know the power of any variable is 1. So the derivative of constant 1x is, yeah, the variable x is 1 when you have the single variable. And remember here you are differentiating here with respect to x. You are differentiating the every term with respect to x. Whenever you have the some variables y, you can differentiate with another variable. Suppose there is the t variable, there is theta variable, you can differentiate that one with respect to t, you can differentiate with respect to theta, you can represent them. Yeah, you can differentiate with the respect to another variable. The variable is given to us. Okay, so these are the basic concept of the, that is the formula, first formula. This is the first formula of the derivative, that is what? That y x power n, that is n x n minus 1. This is the first formula for the derivative, to find out the derivative of the terms when they are in the variable terms. Suppose now I want to find out the derivative of what? I want to find out the derivative of y, that is equal to x minus 1 whole square. And how will you find out its derivative? You will find out its derivative. First of all, make it is what? Open that one. That is x square plus 1 minus 2x. Now find out its derivative. How will you find out its derivative? That is dy by dx. The derivative of x square is what? That is 2x, and the derivative of 1 is what? 0, and the derivative of minus 2x is what? Minus 2. I hope you understand the basic thing here, that the how to find out the derivative of the what? Polynomials, single terms, or you can say when they are in combined terms with the plus minus sign. तो सिमिलरली अगर हम बात करें डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टर्म्स का, द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin x, then that is equal to the derivative of sin x is cos x. Same way, the derivative of cos x, that is equal to minus sin x. The derivative of tan x, that is equal to sec square x. Derivative of sec x, that is equal to sec x tan x. Derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x, and derivative of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x cot x. One thing note here, the derivative of जो पे c आपका है, c इन्वॉल्व होता है, वहाँ पे आपका नेगेटिव साइन आ रहा है, माइनस हेयर. द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कॉट, देन अगेन माइनस हेयर. द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कोसिक इज व्हाट? दैट इज माइनस कोसिक एक्स एंड कॉट एक्स. सो these are the direct derivative. You have to be learn this formula. We will also find out the derivative of these terms by using the first principle in some other class, but here you have to be learn the derivative of the trigonometric term as it is. The derivative of sin x, that is equal to cos x. Derivative of cos x, that is equal to minus sin x. Derivative of sec x, that is equal to sec x tan x. Derivative of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x cot x. Derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. So these are the derivative of what? Trigonometric term. Similarly, if I say the derivative of root x, that is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Let us find out the derivative of this. Suppose I have taken y root x with the polynomial formula, then that is dy by dx. Suppose I want to find out derivative this, then x power 1 by 2. So what is the polynomial formula? The polynomial formula is what? That derivative of x n, that is nx n minus 1 we have done earlier. So here now that 1 by 2 x, 1 by 2 minus 1 is what? Minus 1 by 2. So the derivative is what? 1 by 2 x, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 root x. So in this way, that is the derivative of what? By root term. That is derivative of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x.